I'm currently working on the design of a pedestrian and cyclist bridge for a recreational area in Munich. The concept is an arch bridge, where the deck is suspended from the arch using cable hangers. This approach aims to combine lightweight construction, material efficiency, and a seamless integration into the environment. Key features so far: 5-meter wide deck for shared use. Efficient use of steel, S355 for 60, for a lightweight structure. Modeled and visualized using Rhino and Grasshopper, allowing for flexibility and precision during the design process. This is just the beginning, and I'm looking forward to refining the concept further. What do you think of the initial direction?